Hola! My channel is about helping you learn Spanish. I have 3 series. The first, 100 Days of Spanish, is for complete beginners to guide you and give you confidence and ability over the course of 100 days, as the title suggests. The second series is my Daily Word Builder series. It supports a language learning journal by Dan Hall, which helps track your progress and keep you motivated. The Daily Word Builder series is vocabulary, so that's for beginner through to advanced students. The third series supports beginners to intermediate students. It's the Pasos series. It does support this book. It's not official Pasos product. If you have the book, that's great. If you don't have the book, you can also access the lessons. So check out one of those 3 series now. 100 Days of Spanish, Daily Word Builder, or Pasos. Thank you for watching.